My best friend really likes this one, so I'm going to read this for her. I'm not going to give you the title because I want you to figure it out by yourselves. She fell for it the way she'd fall for a Prince Charming doll. She fell for it and she fell fast. She loved and her love was never lost. And she looked at it the way she'd look at the world. She felt it the way she'd feel her dream red velvet dress, one she'd look good in. And she loved every part of it. The curves and the bumps, the top and the bottom, every single bite of it. She lusted after it all day, every day. She lusted after it almost as much as she lusted after vanilla and chocolate chip cookies. She believed in the term comfort food after she saw this. She loved and she never lost. Because boys and friends would come and go, but pizza was eternal. Pizza never left and always satisfied. Pizza was always there for her. Pizza was the greasy goodness that God created for people like us. Pizza was the love of her life. Because who hasn't fallen in love with pizza? So this one's the one that I've put up on the side. It's called Don't Wonder, and I really hope you guys like it. I hear of gingerbread homes and I hear of glass houses. I listen to songs of broken words and broken tape recorders. And my legs hurt when I'm knee-deep in wonder and work. And like tiny locks and keys, my thoughts fit into the tiny corners of my mind. And under all these thoughts, which look like blankets, I find thoughts embedded of you. But when I step lightly, it's not because I don't know how to run, it's because falling isn't something I like doing. When I stop, it's because I want to, not because I need to. So don't wonder why I'm not warm and fuzzy. Don't wonder why I don't say I love you instead of you're an idiot. Just know that I don't like being unaware. I don't like running before I know who you are. I heard of candy canes and I heard of cardboard boxes. I watch movies whose endings I already know. And my heart aches when it's drowning in the blood of my body. And like fine printed letters, I'm too difficult for you to read. And behind all those invisible walls and all those laser traps I've set for the guests who come and go, there's a soul that waits for someone to get through those booby traps. But these boundaries are there for a reason. These boundaries save me from a world of hurt. They help me sort the real from the fake. So don't wonder why I can't seem to let you in completely and let you know who I am. Don't wonder who I am if I seem a little different every once in a while. And don't wonder if I'm the villain, if you see the bad side. But don't count on seeing that side either. Just know that I like reading the last chapter first. I like happy endings because they're needed in abundances. I hear of heartbreak and I hear of miracles. I heard of success, but the statistics don't back them up. And I roll my eyes to hide the glassiness when the stories of the heartbreak are more than the stories of the success. And like big rocks, I blend in because I'm too camouflaged for you to see. My beauty and my strength is too camouflaged for you to see. But I don't expect you to look anymore. I choose the color black not because no one sees it specially, but because special people choose to see it. I am the color black, who no one chooses to see specially, but because special people choose to see me. So don't wonder why my favorite color isn't red or blue or pink. Don't wonder why I choose to be not special and not noticeable when I can be so much more than a wallflower. Don't wonder why I decided not to blend in because I have my reasons.